In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. Whether you're looking to save time by reusing content or simply want to maintain consistency across your website, duplicating sections can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step to make your web designing tasks much more efficient. First, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Wix website editor. You can do this simply by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you wish to work on from your dashboard. Once you've entered the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see several options on the left hand side that provide tools like adding new sections, settings, and more. It's a good idea to get comfortable navigating these options as they hold the key to customizing your site. Now with the website editor open, the next step is to select the section that you wish to duplicate. Move your cursor over to the section in question. This could be a text block, a gallery, or even a testimonial segment. Once you've identified it, click anywhere on the section. You should see a blue box surrounding your selected area. This indicates that the section is now active and ready for action. Next, look towards the top right of the selected section and you'll find three tiny dots. These dots serve as a menu for the section, and when you click on them, a drop-down list will appear. Inside this menu you'll find several options including settings, animate, and the one we're interested in, duplicate. Now that you've accessed the section menu, it's time to duplicate. At this point, simply click on duplicate from the drop-down. What this action does is create an exact copy of your selected section directly under the original one. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on a page that requires the same format for multiple sections, but with different content like a portfolio page or product listings, and just like that you've duplicated the section. It's a straightforward process, but it can really streamline your website development and content organization. You can now edit your duplicated section independently from the original. Make sure to change any text or images to fit the new context while preserving that clean, consistent look. Remember, the Wix platform is all about flexibility and ease of use. By mastering these small features, you empower yourself to create more dynamic and engaging web pages without spending additional time constructing from scratch. Thanks for following along, and happy editing with Wix.